Today I am going to do a simple border design. I will begin from here like this. Like a chain stitch. Just take the take the thread round the needle and gently pull up the needle. For the next stitch, I will start from a bit above this one. Again the same stitch, the thread round the needle and pull up the needle. The third stitch also just the same, but not over here, a bit above this one. Again the same thing, the thread round the needle and just pull up the needle. The fourth one also I will do the same thing. Next one also, next and the last one also, just the same thing. After that, go from here, take the thread like this and pull up the needle. After you have done this, for this line, I will pick it up from here, thread round the needle and pull up the needle. Again, not on the same line as this, slightly I will pick up above this and thread round the needle and a third line. After I have done that, again from here, the thread round this and pick up the needle. Again I will do the same thing this side, not on line with this, slightly higher up, round the needle, thread round the needle and pick up the needle. Again slightly higher up. I have taken 6 strands of thread. Again slightly higher up. And the last stitch on this side. I'll pick it up from here, slightly higher up, put the thread on the needle like this and pick it up. The same thing again over here, slightly higher up, thread round the needle, again slightly higher up, thread round the needle. This is the way I will complete. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.